Dear students, today we are going to begin class 8 history. Let me introduce the book first. The name of the book is History and Civics by Bharati Publications. Hope that all will follow the same textbook. I suggest to use the updated version of textbook. Let us move to the chapter 1 towards the modern period. We can see that the definition of modern period refers to the recent time. In detail, we can say this period is characterized by changes such as expansion of trade, industrialization, etc. So students, modern period or these changes began in Europe around the 15th century AD. The various events and change in the modern period are studied with the help of a wide range of sources of material. And do you know what is meant by sources of material? Here, sources means materials or things where we get knowledge about past. Sources means materials or things where we get knowledge about past. There are two kinds of sources of materials are there, primary sources and secondary sources. Primary sources provide first-hand accounts of the events, practices or conditions that we are studying. They may be in the different forms. Primary sources provide first-hand accounts. Okay, literary sources, archaeological remains, audio cassettes are some examples. Literary sources, archaeological remains, audio cassettes are some examples for primary sources. Then secondary source. Secondary sources are usually in the form of work of historians and scholars who arrive at conclusion after carefully studying the primary sources. Secondary source means are usually in the form of work of historians and scholars who arrive at conclusion after carefully studying the primary sources. The secondary sources are prepared on the basis of primary sources. The secondary sources are prepared on the basis of primary sources. Example, if you want to know about the pyramids, you go to Egypt and directly watch it and learn it. It can be called as primary source. Instead of that, if you watch a documentary or a movie related to it, that can be called as secondary sources. I hope you understand what is secondary source. Let us briefly study the developments or changes in Europe that led to its modernization. How the European society was, or what are the changes. Society in the medieval Europe was based on the feudal system. Society in the medieval Europe was based on the feudal system in which land was owned by lords who provided protection to the peasants who worked on their lands. The lords paid taxes to the king or provided with the soldiers. Okay, the lord paid taxes to the king or provided him with the soldiers. As a result of crusades or holy war between Christians and Muslims, holy war between Christians and Muslims, an interaction opened up between the Arabs and the Europeans. Okay, an interaction opened up between the Arabs and Europeans. It resulted in foreign trade. Okay, it resulted in foreign trade. It gave the origin of a new wealthy merchant class, or we can say the middle class. The fall of Constantinople. The next point is the fall of Constantinople. Now we will learn about the fall of Constantinople. It led to two main problems. Constantinople was the main center of Greek and Latin learning and was a crossroad of trade between East and West. What is the importance of Constantinople? It led to two main problems and or Constantinople was main center of Greek and Latin learning and was a crossroad of trade between East and West. What was the first effect? The first effect was the scholars moved to Italy for their further learning. Okay, the first effect was the scholars moved to Italy for their further learning. The second effect was the route between East and West. The route between East and West was blocked. Okay, the movement of scholars to Europe led to Renaissance. We already learned that was the first effect. The scholars moved to Italy for their further learning. Second, the route between east and west was blocked. The movement of scholars to Europe led to Renaissance, and the route blocked led to the discoveries of new land. What was the after effect? The first after effects was the movement of scholars to Europe led to Renaissance, and the route blocked led to the discovery of new land and sea route. Okay, children, I hope you understand. Now we are going to see what is Renaissance. When a society changes from its traditional way to a new pattern, either it can be in the living style or in the ideological level. Here, the main change was the society was mainly depending on based on church. Okay, the society was depending on or based on church or Christian religion. But with Renaissance, people started with the new ideologies of scientific energy, okay, scientific inquiry and humanism. That is the important point. With the Renaissance, people started with the new ideologies of scientific inquiry and humanism. Okay, it means gave priority to science and human values more than religion and faith. That is the important point. Okay, they give more importance for science and human values. The church spread the faith and not allowed to question the faith. Okay, the church spread the faith and not allowed to question the faith. You can read it from the book example of Galileo and Copernicus. Before Renaissance, the main subject for study was God. Before Renaissance, we are discussing about the Renaissance, but before the Renaissance, the main subject for study was God and its related matters. By Renaissance, it gave more value to humanism. It means importance was given to man's needs. That is the main point. Importance was given to man's needs, his emotions, and life on earth. These are the three importance they give. Okay, give more importance for man's needs, emotions, and life on earth. Understood, children? Okay. Here we are concluding the first part of the chapter. Now just we will revise once. In the main point, we discussed modern period, source of materials, changes in Europe, and for the last one, Renaissance. The first part was modern period, source of materials, changes in Europe, and Renaissance. I hope you understood the video. Please do the following homeworks. Read the lesson and underline the important point. And here some question answers are there. All of you please write in your notebook and by heart it. Thank you.